Hello, my lovely dance friends. Robin Dyanick here to teach you Miley's Flowers. It goes to Miley Cyrus's song, Flowers. This, I would say, is a high beginner level dance just because there's more steps than a normal beginner's dance. But the steps are all pretty easy. It's not super fast. There's no crazy turns. So if you like to dance at an easier pace, this is a good dance for you. Okay, so excuse there's some background noise. This is October 23rd, 2024 in upstate New York. I live in Niskayuna area. This is extremely rare to have a sunny 70-something day up here. So it might be my last day doing outdoor tutorials this year, but you never know. All right, so let's get started. This is a two-wall dance. This is a super popular dance. All right, I think you can still see my feet. Your weight should be on your left foot, and we're going to start by walking forward. We're going to walk right, left, then shuffle. Right, left, right. Walk left, right, then shuffle. Left, right, left. All right, so now you notice the travel a lot in that. If you want to shorten it up to like a cha-cha step, you can do that as well. So it would be walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. But it's actually a shuffle forward. I know when I teach this dance, if I have a room that's a rectangle shape, I have them change direction and make sure they're dancing the long way, the length of the room, okay? All right, so after you do that section, you're gonna step right, point left, step left, point right, and step out with your right, forward, and make a quarter turn to your left, and then another quarter turn to your left. Okay, so now you would be facing away from me at 6 o'clock. All right, so let's back things up. Let's try it again from the top. Okay, so your weight is on your left foot. We're gonna walk right, left, shuffle, left, right, shuffle. You're gonna step right, point left, step left, point right, quarter turn, quarter turn. Those are little paddle turns. All right, I'm going to do it one more time with the counts. All right. So, ready. Walk 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Step 1.2, step 3.4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, that's the first two sets of 8. Now, if you're doing this with me and you're now facing away from me, turn around and I will show you the rest of the dance because you would be doing it facing away from me. Okay, so after you do the quarter turn, you're going to do double hip bumps forward. You're going to step forward a little bit with that right. And do double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4. So it's forward, back, forward, back. All right, so if you've ever done the tush push, those are tush push hips. All right, so it's double hip back, forward, back, forward, back. All right, and that is 8 counts. Then we are going to cross the right over the left, step side, cross over again, and point your left. Then we're going to go to the right. We're going to cross over, step side, cross over, and just touch. We're not going to point this time. All right, so let's try that weave again. Weight's on the left, and your right foot was a little bit in front. So cross over, side, over, point, cross over, side, over, touch. All right, and with the counts, it's 1, 2, 3.4, over 5, 6, 7, touch 8. All right, so when you touch, You don't put your weight on it. Your weight should be on your left foot. Okay? Alright, and now you're going to rock out to the side with your right, recover on the left, and do a cha-cha-cha. Right, left, right. Alright, side rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Same thing on the left. You're going to do a side rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Alright, so let's try it from the weave, okay? Cross over, side, over, point, over, side, over, touch, side rock, recover, cha-cha-cha, side rock left, cha-cha-cha. Alright, we are almost done with the dance. We're going to walk back now. We're going to walk back, right, left, right, left. You're going to rock back on your right foot, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock back on your left foot, recover, cha-cha-cha. All right, so that rock back on the left, recover, cha-cha-cha is that last 4 counts. This is a 52 count dance, which is a little unusual. Usually there are 32, 48 sets of 8, okay? But no worries about that. So that is the whole thing. So let's try it after, like, as if we started from the other direction again. We're going to do that quarter paddle turn, step in front, double hip, hip 2, 3, 4, cross step, cross point, cross step, cross touch, side rock, recover, cha-cha-cha, side rock on the left, recover, cha-cha-cha, walk back right, left, rock back, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock back left, recover, cha-cha-cha. All right, so I'm going to go through from the hip bumps with the counts, all right? So we had done 2 sets of 8 after this was set 5, 6, 7, 8, the quarter paddle. So then the hip bumps are 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1, side 2, 3.4, over 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Side rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, cha-cha, 7, and 8. Walk back 1, 2, 3, 4, rock back right, recover, 7 and 8, back left 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so when you have that extra 4 counts, when the song is playing, she will start the chorus right as you are doing your 1, 2, 3, and 4. She says, I can buy myself flowers. So it feels a little weird that you're finishing the pattern when she's starting to sing, okay? But it's okay. That's the way the dance is supposed to be. And really, once you've done it a few times, it works really well. So let's start the dance from the beginning. We're going to do a few walls. So when you can't see me, just kind of listen and follow along. We'll do it nice and slow. All right, so let me back it up again. Weight was on your left, and we're going to start with that walk, walk, shuffle. Ready? Walk right, left, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle. Step, point, step, quarter turn, now right forward. Double hip, hip forward, back, now cross right over, step, over, point, left over, step, over, touch side rock on your right, recover, cha-cha-cha, side rock left, cha-cha-cha, walk back right, left, rock back on the right, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock back on the left, recover, cha-cha-cha. Okay, all right, so now wall 2, you are facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do the same thing. All right, so we're going to start with our weight on the left. We're going to start walking with the right. Walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. You're going to step right, point left, left, point right, step forward on your right, quarter turn, quarter turn. Now hips, double hip, hip 2, 3, 4, cross step, cross point, cross step, cross touch, side rock, recover, cha cha cha, side rock left, recover, cha cha cha, walk back, 2, 3, 4, rock back right, cha cha cha, rock back left, cha cha cha. All right, so we've done 2 walls. We're going to do wall 3, which has the restart. So wall 3, you should be facing 12 o'clock, and you're going to do 2 sets of 8 and then restart, and that's right after you make the paddle turns to face the back. So let's go through that. You're going to walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, step right, point left, step left, point right, forward a quarter turn, and restart here. All right, so wall 4, ready, walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, step, point left, step, point right, forward right, quarter turn, then double hip, hip 2, 3, 4, cross step, cross point, cross step, cross touch side rock, cha cha cha, side left, cha cha cha, walk back, 2, 3, 4, rock back, recover, cha cha cha, rock back, cha cha cha. All right, that is about it. Why don't you try it with me in the demo, and I will call the steps as well. Okay, thanks for watching. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle.
We were gold.
Step
Kind of
1,
dream that can't be so.
quarter and quarter.
We
Hips.
were right till we
Hip
weren't.
2, 3, 4.
Built a
Cross
home
step,
and
cross
watched it
point,
burn.
cross step, cross touch, side
Nobody
rock.
wanna leave.
Cha cha cha, side
Nobody
left.
wanna love.
Cha cha cha, walk back. 2, 3, 4,
Started crying,
rock back.
but then
Cha cha cha, rock back left.
I can
Cha cha
draw
cha,
some
walk,
flowers.
walk, shuffle. Walk, walk, shuffle. Step, point, quarter, quarter. Hips, 2, 3, 4. Cross step, cross point, cross step, cross touch, side rock. Cha cha cha, side left. Cha cha cha, walk back. 2, 3, 4, rock back. Cha cha cha, rock back. Walk, walk, shuffle. Step point, quarter, and here's the restart. Walk, walk, shuffle. Walk, walk, shuffle. Step point, quarter and quarter. Hips. Hip, 2, 3, 4. Cross step, cross point, cross step, cross touch, side rock. Cha cha cha, side left. Walk back, right, left, rock back. Cha cha cha, rock back. Cha cha cha, walk, walk, shuffle. Step point, quarter and quarter forward. Hips, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Thanks for dancing with me.